Let's make honey butter chicken thigh skewers in the air fryer. Yes, the air fryer, not on the grill, right inside the house because it's too hot to be going outside. They come together in minutes and they are perfectly juicy and delicious. And yes, I'm wearing my favorite shirt, so let's go. If you're looking for a quick weeknight meal that comes together in minutes, this is the recipe for you. You can use chicken breast if you want to. I'm a thigh girl because I like juicy meat, so I tend to go for chicken thighs. But again, you can use breast or use whatever piece of chicken you like. Put your seasonings on it, let it marinate for a little while, put it on some skewers, and throw it in the air fryer. I promise you it comes out perfect every single time. Now, a few tips. Make sure that you cut the meat up in bigger chunks because if you cut the meat up in too small of pieces, it dries out a lot faster. The second one is let your meat marinate. You don't have to let it marinate for long. I promise about 30 minutes to an hour is enough. You can go up to 24 hours if you want to, and it will be even better. But I promise you don't need to do that. I have even done this in 10 or 15 minutes. Also, the bigger pieces stay on the skewers better. If you have little pieces, then you have little bitty pieces trying to get onto the skewer and you'll be up here fighting with the chicken the whole time. So the bigger pieces stay on there better and they look just like this. Once they're all on the skewers, just line them up on your liner or directly into your air fryer. I use a liner with my air fryer every single time. Do you guys use liners or you put yours directly on the air fryer? Let me know in the comments. But I use air fryer liners because air fryer liners save me from having to do all that extra cleanup. But not only that, it holds all the juices. As you can see, all the juices collect at the bottom of the air fryer liner, which is perfect for me. So let's make the honey butter now. Use the seasonings. Again, I have everything on the screen for you and it will be in the description. Make the honey butter and just brush it on top once you put it as your final step. That's all this takes. Add the butter and the honey together, mix it all up, and brush it on the top of your chicken. Once you cook your chicken the second time for 10 minutes on the second side, this is what it's going to look like. Nice and plump and juicy and delicious and ready to eat. The only thing left to do is to plate it up and brush it with the honey butter right before we get ready to eat it. I paired mine with some rice and I just made a quick cucumber tomato salad to go along with it, and my meal was complete. I look for a lot of meals like this to go with my type of lifestyle. I'm going all the time. I need quick and easy things that come together because I love home cooked meals. I cook just about every single day at home. If this is something that you all look like you would make, please let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new things to try. I'm always searching the internet, searching all around, trying new recipes and new things to make. So if you have something you want me to try to make, go ahead and leave that in the comments as well. But for now, I'm getting ready to go and enjoy my dinner and enjoy the rest of my evening. And I hope y'all do the same. My goal for August was to post a video every single day. And I think I only missed 3 days and we're on day like 14. Not too bad for a girl just coming back to YouTube. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.